Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to create vector with the value you provided or by importing data from any text file. So let's start. So suppose you want to create uh, vector with a variable name x, and you want values such as 1, 2 and 3. So you can provide the variable name and then the operator sign, assignment operator, that is assignment operator, and then C. Now C stand for combine, or it can be also called as course. Some people say it denotes concatenation. So whatever may be the term, but its main purpose is to combine all the values and put it in a variable. So here we are providing a single type of data, that is numeric. Okay, all are numeric value, so it will store this value into a variable and create an object. So anything you create in R, it's called an object. Okay, so this X object is created, and suppose okay, I'll run this and I'll show you. So if we run this value code, then you can see that a object is created with the name X and its value are 1 2 3. Okay, now if we check the class of this object, we can see that it's numeric class. Okay, now because it is containing this numeric value, so it is automatically setting this setting the type of this object as numeric. You can provide here character, other logical values, or complex number, so different type of data, but it have to be a single type of data. Okay, now when you provide character, you have to give inverted comma around the values. Here I have not given any inverted comma, but suppose you want to input characters value, that is suppose just consider that you want to include all the names of your friend, so you have to give inverted comma. I'll just show you an example over here. So let's create an y variable. Okay, so y variable, suppose Neha. Okay, Ram. So I am just providing these two variable, and you can see here it is created a vector with two values. Okay, now if we check the class of this vector, then we can see that it is a character vector. Okay, character type. Now if you want to create a variable, and you have data in a file, that is your data is stored in a file. Okay, so let's go to the working directory. Now here you can see a data file is available, data.txt. so in my working directory, so I'll just open it, and you can see that four values are stored with comma separated. So here we can use scan function. Now scan function comes with a base R package, and you don't need to install anything, and by using this you can import data from a text file and stored it in a variable, but it can store only list or vector. Now if you want to know about the function scan, that how it works, and not how it works, but how we can use the function, then you have to type question mark and then this name of the function, and just run the code. And you can see that in the help section you will see that the description of this function is given. Okay, popped up, and you can see here in the description that read data into a vector or list from the console or file. So it can be used to also read data from the console. The console means this is the place. So here you can directly write this code, whatever I am writing here in the script, because I just want to show you what are the codes and to store also that what I have run. Okay, for that I am writing in the script, but you can directly run this code in the console. Okay, so while let's see the parameters of this scan function. Now when you see this scan function, you can see there are a lot of parameters that you can give, but I have provided only 3 parameters, because by these 3 parameters only I am able to uh, I'm able to import the data into a variable and without showing any kind of error. So you can go through other parameters, what are these, what does it mean, and all the details are available in this help page. And just I'll explain whatever I have used. Now you have to first provide the file name, that is data.txt. So this file name have to be in inverted comma, then comma, and then what type of data it is. Now here you can give the numeric type, or also you can give double. So numeric and double, the basic difference is that numeric, it may be a single value, that is integer value. Okay, but in case of double, it will be a decimal values. Now generally whenever you import any numerical value, are converted into a double, because it generally inhibit the loss of data. Now if it is a double value, and if you do not provide it that it is a double value, and if the if the r imported into a integer value, then there may be loss of the data. So that's why r basically convert any kind of numerical data into a double data. Now here I have given that numeric, I can also give here double. Okay, double. Okay, it will act as same. Now I have also given separator, that is separate whatever what kind of separator that are present inside the file. That is as you have seen that in the data file, that it is separated by comma. So this comma is used over here, and it also have to be inside the inverted comma. Now if I run this line, you can see a y variable is created with the values. Okay, so it have read the files from this working directory and stored it in the y variable. It created an object, and now if we see the class of this y variable, we can see that it is numeric type. Okay, thank you.